Welcome to Street Memoirs. Today we're diving into the most terrifying moments on the road featuring massive trucks. From dangerous rollovers and unexpected collisions to reckless drivers causing heart-stopping incidents. Watch and learn valuable lessons for safer driving. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any exciting videos. Oh, this truck driver probably forgot to lower the truck bed. This truck caused a series of collisions, but luckily the driver was unharmed. Oh my God, a hair-raising situation. Rainy weather and slippery roads are no match for high speed. We should carefully observe before making a turn. This might help avoid situations like this. This driver has good awareness and quick reflexes. How many points would you give him, guys? The driver misjudged the height of the truck and the bridge. What a pity. Driving the truck over the bridge was quite a risky decision. The moment a suspension bridge in Italy collapsed under the weight of a truck.
Mas ele arrochar que ela nem mexeu não.
The bridge had exceeded its load capacity. Drivers should anticipate the weight of their vehicles before crossing. The truck was parked too close to the edge of the storage pit. Definitely not safe. This fall is a lesson for them.
Olha daqui.
This truck was carrying an excessive load. Combined with a bumpy road, the result, an unavoidable rollover. Who would have thought, from pouring concrete to dropping the whole truck into the lake, the contractor who built that yard probably isn't too happy about this site. An overloaded concrete truck fell from a height of 7 meters, but luckily the driver was unharmed. The vehicle with a dash cam controlled its speed very well, avoiding a horrific collision. The car driver thought they could pass under the overhanging bar of a parked truck across the road, but the heavy load tore the car's roof apart. Luckily, everyone inside was safe.
É assim que o caminhão tomba na serra. Olha só, aí ó, tombou. Tombou. Entendeu? E aí, como é que você tá? É a segunda, velho. Na primeira ele quase tombou e bateu no outro, tá bem mesmo? É um caminhão de quê? Vou ligar pro gravador. Frango? Tá.
The filming driver noticed the trailer wasn't securely fastened, but didn't give a warning. The result, an accident that could have been prevented. I think motorcycles shouldn't ride too close to this vehicle. It could tip over at any moment.